Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Very fine.
Do you like stories?
Yes, sir.
Will you listen to a story?
Yes, sir.
Look at the picture. What is the story about? Gopati kaha bisare?
The lion and the rat.
Today we will see a friendship between the lion and the rat. There was a lion, there was a rat. The lion was big, the rat was small. One day, the big lion was sleeping under a tree. The small rat, by mistake, climbed off the lion. The lion was very angry. He roared and said, I will kill you. I will kill you. The rat prayed, please don't kill me. I will help you one day. Another day, the big lion was caught in a net. He said, could not come out. He roared and roared. The small rat heard the roar and came to the lion. The rat caught the net. Who can say? The lion was very happy. He asked the rat, where will you go? The rat said, I will go home. The lion said, come sit on my back. Then